sausage meat stuffing for the holiday season. With the holiday season approaching, we are brainstorming festive recipes to share with you. This sausage meat stuffing recipe is easy and quick to make, which makes the perfect addition to your festive menu. It's also a great recipe to prepare for Sundays throughout the year, but can also be enjoyed on its own with 1 or 2 sides. Let's start making it, shall we? Ingredients: a good extra virgin olive oil, 4 Italian or Sicilian sausages, 50 grains cubed bacon, 2 cups fresh leeks, 1.5 cup traditional taralini, 3 tablespoons high-quality honey, thyme, dry or fresh, plenty, black pepper to taste. Preparation: start by pre-cutting your leeks, unless you are using pre-cut frozen ones. Next, heat a medium-large pan, and pour 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Then, add the leeks, and toss them around in the pan with a wooden spoon. Add your bacon cubes to the leeks in the pan, and leave them to saute for a few minutes. In the meantime, take your sausage out of the fridge and remove the packaging. Then, remove the sausage casing and add the sausage in the pan with the other ingredients. Mix everything together, and season with black pepper. Follow with plenty of thyme. Blitz the taralini in a blender, or place them in a Ziploc bag and crush them. You can blitz them completely, or leave them chunky, as you prefer. Take the sausage stuffing off the heat, and transfer to a casserole. Sprinkle more thyme, and add 3 tablespoons of honey. Finally, add the crushed taralini, and mix everything to combine. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes or longer, if you prefer it to be crispy and dark. Take out of the oven, and serve with your turkey or roast. Tips: you can also make this as a simpler everyday or weekend meal to be enjoyed with some rice, or with some roast potatoes and baked vegetables.